Oh wow, here you go. So yummy, caldereta. Here you go, guys. I'm gonna make a caldereta. But I use this kind of pork. Ayan, medyo may para siyang buto spare ribs. It happens that I don't have a beef. Yan. Ito na sila. This, yan, ipiprito natin. And here's the green peas. I use the mixed vegetable. Hindi ko na tinanggal. Peanut butter, reno. And then for me, I use tomato paste because it's more nagmamantika yung ano niya, salsa niya. Lemon, soy sauce, and oysters. Okay, let's get started. I-marinate muna. Let's marinate this one first here with lemon. So, to make it enhance the flavor and oyster sauce. A little bit pepper. So, there you go. There you go. Let it, ayan. Ay, baka na wala. Here you go. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Ayan. Para manood lang yung flavor niya bago natin i-prito. Ganun. Ayan. I have a beef caldereta videos before. My previous videos. Ayan. Kasi, it's okay na masarap. But, they don't sell here, fat in the beef, you know. It's nice to make caldereta with a little bit fats like this. But the beef here, they don't sell fats. So it's not nice. Ito yung calderetang without chili. Kasi I cannot, hindi ko kaya Tsaka si Habi din yung ganda rin ng peanut butter. Mahina kami sa sa maanghang. Ayan, masarap dito. Toyo, silver swan, nice. Ayan pala in 1 bay leaves. Ayan, let's get started. Ayan, wala pa mantika. Ayan guys, as you can see, I'm going to cook this on a pressure cooker. Kasi, to make more soft and fast. Ayan, hindi pa siya mainit. Here you go. Now, while I'm cooking on the left side, I'm gonna fry this. Sama-sama na yan guys. Smells so good. Ngayon na natin. I-prepare sa isa. Guys. Hindi makuha. Ayan, sangkot muna natin guys. Just fry it halfway through. Ayan, and set aside. Let's add this. Ang bango na niya, hindi pa man. So let's add the liver. Peanut butter na ayaw mahulog. Ayan, konting-konti lang guys. Ayaw ko ng matamis sa ulam. Tomato paste. Add 1 Maggi. We'll add this and the potatoes. There you go, and the water. And more water. Here you go. Here's the finished product. Here you go, it's the finished product. Lagyan natin ng cheese. Charis. After 48 years, charis. Ayan. In a pressure cooker guys, madaling lumambot. Grabe sarap guys. Natutunaw. Natanggal na yung buto sa sa lambot. Yummy. Here you go. Yeah. Follow for more. Naubos ni Habi ang Nakadalawang balik siya. Sarap na sarap.